how to turn on or turn off the S Pen Screen Off Memos on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then at the top here, swipe down to open up Quick Settings. Next, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features. In here, tap on S Pen. Then we go down and tap on Screen Off Memos. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or turn on the Screen Off Memos. Here it says write notes while the screen is off. Just remove the S Pen to start writing. So let's try it out. If I put my pen in here, the screen is off. So if you are going somewhere or someone is giving you the phone number, you can quickly remove this and then start writing. So here, write the phone number. So you quickly create a note, and then you can also move up or move down. Then tap on save to save your note. And that's it. That is how you can switch it on or off. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.